Going live is how you sell faster on Resogra. In the next few minutes I'll show you exactly how to connect your accounts, set up your live page, and stream once to reach customers on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitch, and Kick, all from one click. Let's go. Start at Resogra.com and sign in. From your vendor dashboard, click Go Live in the left sidebar. This is your live commerce control center. The first thing you'll see is Step 1, connect your accounts. Click any of the 6 platform logos to connect that platform. You'll do this once per platform, and only the first time. When you click a platform, a small window opens. Sign into that platform, click Add, then Authorize. Repeat for every platform you want to stream to. The more platforms you add, the more customers you can reach with one stream. Scroll to Step 2. This is your smart link, the one short URL you share with customers to find your live show. Copy it with one click and paste it into your bio, your story, your flyers, anywhere. You can also customize the end of your link, for example resogra.com/live/Fonwigs Friday show. Make it memorable. Your customers type this exact link or click it from your bio. Scroll to Step 3. Pick one hero product to pin. The pinned product is the big one that shows on your live page while you stream. Click Pin next to any product in your catalog. Below that, build your shopping bag, a bundle of 3 to 6 products customers can shop together. Click Add to Bag next to any product. Customers see one button on your live page that opens the whole bundle. Optional but recommended, upload a background image and a side banner. This is what customers see on your live page, framed around your stream. Match it to your brand for a pro look. Scroll down for your QR code. It links straight to your smart link. Download it at high resolution. Print it on flyers, post it on social media, slap it on your packaging, anywhere a customer might scan. Now the actual broadcast. From your computer, open Restream Studio in a new tab, or use the Restream phone app. Pick your camera, your microphone, click Start Broadcasting. Your stream now goes to every platform you connected. The moment you're live, your smart link page lights up. Customers visiting that URL see your stream embedded, the pinned product front and center, and a big orange Shop Now button. They can buy without leaving the page. Anytime during the stream you can swap the pinned product. Go back to the Go Live page, click Pin on a different product. Your customer's live page updates within 5 seconds. This is how you turn moments in the show into purchases. When you're talking about a product, pin it. And that's it. You're live across every platform with one stream, your smart link is shareable, and customers can shop the products you pin in real time. Going live is the single fastest way to grow your store on Resogra. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your first show.